Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic week so far. We were right here when I made the video yesterday. As you can see, we were consolidating. Some can call it flag, however you please. A bit of volatility before the famous meeting started, which was really funny because actually in the Telegram group, I shared the range. It was simply just trading a range. It was quite simple, but a bit tough if you did not know exactly what you were doing. Resulted into a nice squeeze up while people were starting to get bearish about the news and everything and squeeze them out before right now flipping the market structure on the 1 hour time frame. Market structure have now flipped bearish with lower highs and lower lows. Okay, for now it doesn't mean much. I would rather still be patient to see what the price will do. I did take a short from here exactly. RZ resulted into a 1% move. I took profit the VAH of the current range that we are currently trading in, which I will show you guys right now. So this is the range, in my opinion, that everybody should be paying attention to. Okay, swing high to swing low, and here we are at the moment, founding support from the value area high of the overall range. What do we want to see today, and what do we want to be aware of? So we have this range that we're currently trading in. However, within this range, as you can see, point of control seems quite low for now, but we have a really strong high volume node in this area, which is also coming in confluence with the OB. So we have a 1 hour OB and a 4 hour OB. The 1 hour OB seems nice. However, the 4 hour one is much better. So it's a bit small, but this will give you definitely like a snipe scalp in my opinion. And it's also coming in confluence with a high volume node. And I believe we have New York session naked point of control coming into the same area. And we also have this tiny point of control that was within this range that we were trading last night. So here is quite a nice zone of confluence. I believe it's also coming with yesterday's point of control and the VWAP close. This whole area is definitely an area of support for now until proven otherwise. I will only wait for this if I can see that we're getting reacceptance within the value area high for then coming lower. As here we clearly have no support. It was a shoot up. Okay, so that's what I want to see first. That's my first level of support. If loss, I would look for slightly lower. So we have a naked IB from yesterday's London session right before the rise that we still haven't touched, which is also coming in confluence with a nice area. It's slightly lower, coming in confluence with the London IB high. It's coming in confluence with the point of control of this overall range, which is standing at $38,314, the value area low of the range, and the London IB low. Today, we also have 80-20 setup, which is when the price can close a 30-minute candle below the previous day value area high. It's already activated for now, but always be careful. We don't want to trade it as it breaks and as it confirms, because it often results in squeeze before actually going down. Okay, so be aware that the price could do something like this before coming down. Okay, no rush for shorting. Just wait for the higher area where we have resistance. Right here we have the daily open and the Asian naked point of control. That is an area to be aware of. Also coming slightly below the daily resistance. Then the target of this 80-20 setup will be the value area low. We're still looking at the same areas, which is if we happen to find support from this current value area high and we see something like this and we can reclaim maybe the daily open, okay, and reclaim the daily, then I will be looking for this area that I mentioned yesterday. Okay, this is also something, it's completely possible that we see this ranging something go here. Once again, we don't preset here, same as yesterday. As I mentioned in the video, price could just break through this level with a strong resistance coming in. We wait to see the reaction in this area before taking a short. So that's it for me on Bitcoin. I wanted to talk about ETH BTC, who is squeezing down, creating a descending wedge, okay, which is a bullish pattern. At the moment, it's breaking out. So it confirmed it with a retest of it. We could see ETH and ALTs having a nice run today, okay, to be aware of. The next resistance is around that point of control right here. The SPX 500 did bounce from the weekly. So it was quite nice the way it reclaims level. You see how it flip resistance, resistance, flip, support, support, pump. Back to the monthly we are, okay? So here's a resistance for it. The next nice zone of resistance will be like to confirm this weekly as support. That will be nice for shooting a bit higher. So as mentioned yesterday, the DXY was due for a retracement, which we clearly saw. So triangle pattern, which results into a breakout, slightly front run the monthly, and now it's coming back up. Remember, it's we were trading this range, and it is now back into the range. Okay, a nice flip of resistance into support for now until proven otherwise. We still have this major resistance at $103. So we wait to see the reaction. Little sum up on Bitcoin. We know our areas. We know where we're looking at. Don't forget this high volume node right here. Okay, this whole area definitely a zone of support until proven otherwise. I hope today's video helped. Good luck trading. Bye-bye.